Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick JavaScript lesson. Today we're going to learn how to calculate the area of a triangle when you know the lengths of all three sides using Heron's formula. Let's dive in. We have a triangle with three sides, 5, 6 and 7 units long. Our task is to find the area of this triangle. Instead of using the traditional base and height, we'll use a special method known as Heron's formula. Heron's formula allows us to find the area of any triangle when we know the lengths of all three sides. The formula is area equals the square root of the semi-perimeter times the difference between the semi-perimeter and each side of the triangle. Here's the JavaScript code to solve the problem. First, we define the three sides of the triangle. Then we calculate the semi-perimeter, which is the sum of the sides divided by 2. Finally, we use Heron's formula to calculate the area and log the results into the console. When we run the program, the area of the triangle with the sides 5, 6 and 7 units is approximately 14.7 square units. JavaScript's math.squareroot function helps us calculate the square root of the formula. For those who prefer modern JavaScript, here's the same solution written in ES6 syntax. We use const for declaring the side lengths and semi-perimeter, and everything works the same way as before. And that's it. You've now learned how to calculate the area of any triangle if you know the three sides and the three side lengths. Using Heron's formula, I hope this was helpful, and I encourage you to try this out with different values. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick JavaScript tutorials. See you next time.